Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can send money from Australia to India using Remitly, and the process is actually very simple. First of all, you head over to Remitly, and where it says sending to dash country, you want to select on that flag and you want to search for your desired country, which is India. You select on India and wait for it to load up until at the top it says India, wherever it says the previous country. As you can see, India has loaded up. Now you're going to wait for this page to load and you're going to simply click on send money. Now it's going to take a while again for the main page to load up. But once it does, you're going to see something like this where you have to just put in start over. And over here, as you can see, what is the amount you want to send, blah, blah, blah. Let's say you want to send 50,000 Indian rupees, and it's going to show you how much USD that is. And then delivery speed. Do you want to pay with your debit or credit card? In that case, it's going to be fast. Do you want to pay with your bank account? In that case, it's going to be the best price. So you click on continue over here, and then it says delivery method, which is how would you like the money to be delivered. Is it a bank deposit or a UPI? If it's a bank deposit, you select on bank deposit, you put in the bank, and then you have to put in the bank details. And if it's UPI, you just select on UPI and you put in the person's UPI, and from here you just have to put in the details. But this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.